find all the other ingredients. Yung mashed bananas natin, sugar, 2 eggs, saka vanilla. And then, mix lang natin. Guys, I added nuts pala. Kung ano yung gusto nyo idagdag, pwede raisins. And, charan! Yan na yung pag-isdag ko na. Gusto natin. And then, lagay ako ng separate. Tapos, nilagay ko yung cacao powder natin. Nilagay ko na ba? Today we're going to make banana cake. Here are the ingredients: flour, 2 cups of flour, mashed bananas approximately 5 to 6, 180 ml of oil, 1 cup of evap milk, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, brown sugar, 3/4 cup, 2 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and 1/8 cup. First, we need to combine all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Baking powder, baking soda, powder, baking soda, mashed banana. Lagyan lang natin ng lasagna. Para magmukha siyang presentable. Presenting. Finished.